In Malaysia, clean water begins at our rivers. Raw water from rivers is treated at water treatment plants through processes such as screening, coagulation, filtration, and disinfection before it reaches our homes. Now, let's look at the process deeply. Screening is the first step, where large debris such as leaves, plastic, and rubbish are removed from raw river water to prevent damage to equipment. Next is, coagulation helps small impurities clump together. During coagulation, chemicals are added to the water to bind fine particles and impurities together, forming larger clumps called flocks. Filtration then removes remaining particles. The water passes through layers of sand, gravel, or filters to remove remaining suspended particles and improve clarity. Finally, disinfectants such as chlorine are used to kill harmful microorganisms, ensuring the water is safe for human consumption. However, this system is highly vulnerable to pollution. When raw water becomes contaminated by chemicals or industrial waste, treatment plants are forced to shut down to prevent health risks. In July 2024, odor pollution was detected in Sungai Kundang following a chemical leak from an upstream industrial area in Kundang. In response to the pollution threat, Luas immediately ordered a comprehensive investigation and implemented preventive measures to protect downstream water sources. To prevent contaminated raw water from reaching consumers, water treatment plants were temporarily shut down, disrupting water supply across parts of Selangor.
The official press statement released by DOE and news report confirmed that water pollution occurred at Sungai Kundang and Sungai Sembah.
The pollution is because of the chemical leak from a factory involved in processing acrylic materials which located in Kuang, Rawang. From the investigation, they confirmed that the chemical leaked was identified as polymethacrylic acid. The leaked PMAA overflowed from the storage tank into the factory's drainage system, main road drain, and flowed into Suang Kuang. The contaminated water from Sungai Kuang traveled downstream into Sungai Kundang, Sungai Sembah, and finally reached Sungai Selangor, which usually used to supply raw water to treatment plants. The leaked PMAA released a strong and pungent odor, leading to the detection of pollution and the shutdown of several water treatment plants.
The first consequence is public health impacts. The pollution posed immediate risks to residents. The chemical presence caused symptoms such as nausea, headaches, discomfort, and potential skin irritation risks through direct contact. The second consequence is impacts on water treatment plants. WTP. Multiple water treatment plant were forced to shut down entirely. Water pollution causes a significant increase in chlorine demand to treat the water. Then, fine chemical particulates like PMAA can physically clog ultrafiltration membranes. This disrupted the water supply for approximately 7 million residents.
Lastly is the environmental and ecosystem impacts. PMAA contamination altered the river's pH and reduced dissolved oxygen levels. This created toxicity risks for fish and macroinvertebrates, leading to a severe ecosystem imbalance.
From the issue, several solutions have been decided to solve the problem. Most of the solutions related to the process of how the water being treated in the water treatment plant. The solutions also provided improvement that can be done to the current water system. This is the water treatment plant after considering all of the solutions. A fine, highly porous black powder made from materials like coal, wood, or coconut shells. PAC can be used for fast action for batch processes or emergency use. Powdered activated carbon, PAC, is added before for rapid absorption for 1. Removal of odors. 2. Dissolved organic compound as a temporary step. Alum can be used to clarify water by causing tiny suspended particles, dirt, organic matter, to clump together into larger, heavier masses called flock. Higher dose of coagulant, alum is added to neutralize negatively charged carboxyl group, COO, of the PMAA, maximizing removal during flocculation or sedimentation. Cationic polymer, polyethyleneamine, PEI, is added into the flocculation tank before ultrafiltration to capture remaining fine PMAA residual. changing rapid sand filter to ultrafiltration membranes to remove smallest contaminants and improve filtration process. The change can help to improve the filtration by filter other substances than water molecules to get better purity. Last but not least, using advanced monitoring technology such as IoT sensor networks and continuous real-time monitoring, OCEMS, can help to monitor the current water's conditions. A strict environmental rule, notably implemented in Selangor, Malaysia, requiring industries to stop discharging untreated wastewater into natural water bodies, instead treating and recycling it for reuse or safely managing residues, to conserve water, prevent pollution, and promote sustainability. The integrated of multiple methods and technology in this solution can help to settle the problem as soon as possible and can be as a reference in the future. Moving on to call to action. Our rivers are the starting point of the clean water that flows into our homes. When we protect our rivers, we are protecting our health, our economy, and our environment. So, what can we do? First, report any illegal dumping or suspicious discharge into rivers immediately. Early reporting helps authorities act before serious damage occurs. Second, reduce household chemical waste by choosing environmentally safe cleaning products and disposing of chemicals responsibly. And finally, protect our water sources by supporting policies and actions that preserve river reserves and promote responsible development. Together, we can secure a clean, safe, and reliable water future for Selangor.